community, it's KJ here from KnappyHair.com, and you are watching The Breakdown. In this video, I'm going to break down two things: the hair type, Kinky Coily, and the product type, a machine, Weft. I will be using an 18-inch Kinky Coily Weft. Now let's get started. Inside your box, you will see that your purchase comes with a hair care card. I highly recommend that you follow all of the steps on the back of your hair care card, and we'll talk about the details of that a little later. With any Weft purchase, this is what you will receive: a satin hair bag. You can use this to store your hair for travel, and also you can use this to store your hair when you're not using it. You will also receive a complimentary weft sealer, and I'll show you how to seal your wefts a little later, the machine weft, and again, your hair care card. So if you have identified your hair as Kinky Coily, just as I have, when you look at this weft, you will see this doesn't really look like your natural coils as it is straight out of the box. What I'm gonna show you next is a before and after. This is how the hair comes to you once it's delivered. But once you follow the steps on the back of the hair care card, then you're gonna see the true natural state of this Kinky Coily hair. All right, community, here is your before and after of Kinky Coily. You will only get this weft to look like this once you follow the steps in the back of the hair care card. And in another video, I will go into all the details on how I was able to bring the true natural state of this weft. Kinky Coily hair type is the tightest texture, okay? And because of that, the shrinkage is shorter. So to see the length of the hair, you have to pull the hair straight. Just like when you measure the full length of your hair, you will measure your hair when your hair is straightened. If you purchase a texture match kit, you've already received a complimentary measuring tape. I'm gonna show you how to stretch the hair so that you can see the full length of your Kinky Coily hair type. All right, community, so now you've seen the breakdown of Kinky Coily hair type and a Kinky Coily machine weft. You've seen the before and after, how your hair comes right out of the box, and how your Kinky Coily hair can look once it's been shampooed, conditioned, and air dried. I've also shown you what you will receive inside your box when you order a weft. You will get a satin hair bag, your hair care card, and a complimentary weft sealer. I highly recommend that you follow the instructions on the back of your hair care card to seal your wefts prior to using. In another video, I show you how to seal machine wefts. Although I'm using a different hair type, the application is the same. When applying weft sealer, it doesn't mean that hair will never fall off of the weft. From time to time, you will lose strands. You will lose strands daily, typically, but it all depends on how you care for the hair. But applying the sealant is a little more security for your weft. So you simply brush it on. You don't need to do both sides. One side is enough. And you just do this on the full length of the weft. And it dries in about 5 to 10 minutes. I highly recommend sealing your wefts in a well-ventilated area. In another video, I will go into detail on how I shampoo, detangle, condition Kinky Coily hair.